Pray for Peace tension remains high in Phnom Penh in the context of the election dispute with CNRP President Sam Rainsy warned of mass protests by the NEC's handling of the poll results and the government in response to an increased military presence in the capital. About 200 people, including monks, gathered in Phnom Penh on Wednesday to hold a vigil for peace and justice. The government still requires patience and the use of violent means in dealing with every election. A prayer session was held in Siem Reap. Vaughn POV, independent chairman of Democratic Society Economy official, said the public has held the gathering because they feel insecure and voiceless. Military buildup are being used to intimidate people, so we are praying for peace and justice, he said. A woman who participated in the vigil said she prayed for Cambodia to escape a civil war. I am asking for help, she said. We don't want war and battle. We may be very afraid. Detained activists. CNRP Vice President Kem Sokha on Wednesday said negotiations with the CPP in order to resolve election disputes will not continue until a court in Kampot province issues 7 opposition activists arrested for alleged election-related crimes. Before you can come to any resolution to form a government and parliament, activists must be released, he said, calling the arrest illegal. Kampot Chief Prosecutor Sam Ban Chung said 7 cases are being reviewed by an investigating judge. I don't know when we'll be trying these cases when they are still in the investigative phase, he said. Separately, the CNRP released a statement Wednesday calling on its supporters to join a rally scheduled for August 26 that Sam Rainsy and Kem Sokha will be present. The report did not elaborate on the purpose of the collection. Report of the RFA's Khmer service. Translated by Yoon Sanin. Written in English by Joshua Lights. The Voice of Things.